Hello and welcome to phuketpals GED Express screencast with me, Teacher Eman. Today's lesson focuses on adding and subtracting polynomials. Combining two polynomials by either adding them or subtracting them is actually just a form of combining like terms. However, when subtracting polynomials, take note, just remember to distribute the negative. Again, when subtracting polynomials, remember to distribute the negative. Let's try some examples. First, find the sum of the expression x to the power of 2 plus 2x minus 5 and the expression 9x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 1. First, write both polynomials with a plus symbol between them. X to the power of 2 plus 2x minus 5 plus 9x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 1. And then combine like terms to find the answer. How to identify like terms? Let's just look at the variables. The variable should be the same, and the variable should also have the same exponent, regardless if the coefficients are different. First, we have x to the power of 2 and 9x to the power of 2. X to the power of 2 plus 9x to the power of 2, we have 10x to the power of 2. Why? We simply add the coefficients. And we know from our previous lesson that any variables has a coefficient of 1. Okay, so we have 10x to the power of 2. Second, 2x and minus 6x. Combining them, we have 2 minus 4. The answer is 4. Then copy the variable. Minus 5 plus 1, we've got minus 4. So the answer, the sum is 10x to the power of 2 minus 4x minus 4. Notice that it doesn't matter if the like terms are not next to each other. For example, x to the power of 2 and 9x to the power of 2 can be combined even though there are two terms between them. Same with 2x and minus 6x, and also with a constant minus 5 and 1. Let's try another example. Find the difference. The first one is find the sum. This time find the difference. It means subtraction. Find the difference of x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 1 and the expression 6 minus x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 2. Okay, let's solve. X to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2, okay, minus 1 minus 6 minus x to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 2. Now, To set up a subtraction problem with two polynomials, what can you see? Write the first polynomials as it is, as what I did. Then write the second polynomial in parentheses with a minus in front. Next, distribute the negative to every term inside the parentheses. x to the x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 minus 1. We have minus 6 plus x to the power of 4. Okay, we are redistributing. Minus 3x to the power of 2. Finally, combine like terms. Remember the rules that we learned for subtracting signed numbers. Okay, x to the power of 4. Even though it's only a variable, it is always has a coefficient of 1. So 1 plus 1, we have 2x to the power of 4. Then 1 minus 3, we have minus 2, then copy x to the power of 2. Then minus 1 and minus 6, we have minus 7 based on integers rule. Now, do we still have some terms that are the same? Nope. So this is already the difference, the answer. Let's try some more example. Okay, find 16y minus 2 minus 18y plus 16 minus y to the power of 2. In this subtraction problem, the parentheses around 16y minus 2 can be dropped. We have 16y minus 2. However, the parentheses around 18y plus 16 minus y to the power of 2 cannot be dropped until the negative in front of them is distributed. So we need to distribute the negative. So we have minus 18y. Then here we have minus 16. Then we have plus y to the power of 2. Now combining like terms. Okay, let's start with y to the power of 2. Then 16y and 18y, they are like terms, so we can combine them. So we have 2y, then minus 2 and minus 16 can be combined minus 18. So we have now the difference of the two polynomials given. Y to the power of 2 minus 2y minus 18. Okay, last example. Okay, find 3x to the power of 2 minus x plus 4x plus x to the power of 2. Okay, again, when two polynomials are added, both sets of parentheses can be dropped in the first step because distributing a plus does not change any of the sign. So we can drop the parentheses. Then we have 3x to the power of 2 minus x plus 4x plus x squared. Then combining like terms. Okay, so we have 4x to the power of 2, 3 plus 1, because any variable without a coefficient, it has always one coefficient. Then minus x and 4x, they're the same, so we have 3x. So the answer is 4x to the power of 2 minus 3x. Now, before I end, on the GED test, problems asking you to add or subtract polynomials are sometimes written using words like sum or difference, and other times are written using parentheses as in the last two examples. Either way, the solution steps are the same. That's all for this video. If you'd like to know more about Phuket Pals, see our Facebook page or call us on 081-417-0978. If you find this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below. It helps us help more people like you. Have a good day.